Cyfrahashiv, Thalchika Unit Fichitsa Unit 31. In this unit, we'll be looking at how to give directions and how to say where things are.
To ask where a particular place is, you say, Carteville. Carteville office fust. Where is the post office? Carteville office fust. Carteville office fust.
In the following scenes, listen for fashk near, fashk fashker, and returv, beside, returv, returv.
Gafaf Melishgal, Carteville office fust.
Haid srach a chastal, fashkid an laving.
Tapelif.
Gafaf Melishgal, Evelisek of Carteville Bank in the Halapu.
Ha, hai, here's a schön, returv na heine.
More an tang.
Sraj a Chastel, Castle Street. Higher Sraj a Chastel. It's on Castle Street. Higher Sraj a Chastel. Higher Sraj a Chastel.
Fashk a navin, near the river. Fashk a navin. Fashk a navin.
Another way to ask where some place is to say, Avil Isakov Karchavil. Avil Isakov Karchavil Banka Nhalapa. Do you know where the Bank of Scotland is?
Down there beside the river. Here's a shin, rituv na haine. Here's a shin, rituv na haine.
Notice how an avin, the river, changes to nahaina after returv. To say something is on someone's right or right-hand side, you say irtolaiv yesh. Irtolaiv yesh. The formal and plural form is live yesh. Live yesh.
To say something is on someone's left or left-hand side, you say live chli. Live chli. Or more formally, live chli. Live chli.
Gafaf Melishgal, Evelisek of Carteville an trai.
Kumavedev son Mila. Hishavi either live yish.
Gleba, tapeliv.
Hallo, Chaldam. Carteville mianya valla.
Gaf hiadrad the live chli. Agus hai jidach Mila shachat na solish.
And try, the beach, and try. And the speaker said, Cum of Arav Shon Mila, carry on for a mile. Cum of Arav Shon Mila. Cum of Arav Shon Mila. To a friend, you would say, Cum most, carry on. Cum most. Cum most.
Shechat na solish, past the lights. Shechat na solish. Shechat na solish. Hai 30 mile shechat na solish. It's just a mile past the lights.
In this next scene, listen for Chundayev, listen live yesh. Turn to the right. Chundayev, listen live yesh. Chundayev, listen live yesh. And the less formal, Chuntai, listen live chli. Turn to the left. Chuntai rish and live chli. Chuntai rish an live chlee.
Gafaf molestiol. Cymar y gef mi gan teich iolaf.
Tún daibh dis an live yish. Hai ma gachiad meter it falaf.
Iwnlai, can't you will yn dynad spors?
Tún daibh dis an live chlee. Suas srach na boundary. Hai ma vile falaf it the live yish.
Tapel at iwnlai.
A chalaing, cymar y gef mi chon yn bwyn.
Tjúndai it is een live yeast ag na solish. Ha tuas a sin, it een live chlee.
Camar a give me. How do I get? Camar a give me ganta yalav. How do I get to the cinema? Camar a give me ganta yalav. Camar a give me ganta yalav.
The speaker asked Colin, "Cymar I give me chun an búan? How do I get to the shops? Cymar I give me chun an búan? Cymar I give me chun an búan?"
And the answer was, Haya tuas a shin, in live chlee. They are up there on the left. Haya tuas a shin, in live chlee. Hayat huas a shin, in live chlee.
To say something is in front of, you say, bialav. Bialav. And behind is coolav. Coolav.
A velissac of cat you will in leorlan.
Ma het of suas an trach, hísheve. Haith coolav na scola.
Y faddi. Catch yn ffaith mi taxi.
Yevu taxi if bialov in station.
Oh, tapelet.
Gafaf ma lishgal. Catcheville in hospital.
Hamadulich, gaan je me eil ach a share.
Gafaf ma lishgal. Catcheville in hospital.
Ma het sif suas yn trach hic sif chyn yn hospital.
An Lorlan, the library. An Lorlan. And to get to the library, the speaker said, Ma heid shiv, if you go, ma heid shiv, ma heid shiv, ma heid shiv suas an trach. He shive. If you go up the street, you'll see it. Ma heid shiv suas an trach. He shive. Ma heid shiv suas an trach. He shive.
The library was coolav na scola, behind the school. Coolav na scola. Coolav na scola. Can't you find me taxi? Where will I get a taxi?
Yev shiv taxi bialav an station. In front of the station.
One speaker said, "Chanel me iolvoch a sho. I don't know this place well. Chanel me iolvoch a sho. Chanel me iolvoch a sho." The other said, "Mahetshiv suas and trachin. If you go up that street. Hikshiv chun an hospital. You'll come to the hospital. Hikshiv chun an hospital. Hikshiv chun an hospital."
If you want to ask how to get to another geographical location, you can say, for example, Kemmer yev mi glasacho, or Kemmer yev mi gu glasacho.
The reply might be, "Futishiv bus agal." You may take a bus. Futishiv bus agal. Futishiv bus agal. Or, Futishiv agolang le car. You may go by car. Fwyd y sif ag o lawn le car. Fwyd y sif ag o lawn le car.
You can't take the bus to some places, though. Cymmer y give me a varai. How do I get to Barra?
Fwyd y bata no plane ag ar. You can either take a boat or plane. Fwyd y bata no plane ag ar.